When you and your partner decide to start your family, there are certain things that need to take into consideration. There are certain things that need to follow. So in this video, I'm going to share with you all how to have a healthy pregnancy and tips that will help you to conceive. So watch this video till the end. So stay tuned. Hi moms, welcome to my channel. I'm Shweta. I make videos on parenting, pregnancy and baby care. So if you are new here, then please subscribe to my channel. It's free, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you'll get latest update from our channel. So moving on. As I mentioned before, when you decide to have a baby, there are certain things that you need to take into consideration. So let's have a look at them. It's necessary that both partners are willing to start a family. They should be mentally prepared for the lifestyle changes that will occur after conception, and both should be willing to accept the changes together. It's a good idea to plan your pregnancy over the unplanned. You may be at a different phase of life. Your age and health does matter while conceiving. So both you and your partner should visit a gynecologist and do the initial checkup to make sure both of you are healthy, as it's necessary for conception and having healthy pregnancy. So in initial screening, if your doctor finds out any health issues, so you'll be in a better position to get it resolved in timely manner rather than facing issues in conception or complication during pregnancy. So it's best to consult with your OB. Often couples are unaware how their life will change after getting pregnant. Well, in order to avoid the conflict or misunderstanding, it's a good idea to gather information about what to expect after getting pregnant, what are the series of events that you'll go through, how you prepare yourself, how you prepare your house to welcome your bundle of joy, what are the common problems parents face after having a baby, how they deal with it. When you gather all this information, you will be prepared mentally. Don't worry, I got you covered. Check out my playlist on pregnancy guide for parents. I have mentioned the link for the same in the description box below. It's not easy to live up to the expectation of other partner. So try to balance things and find workaround that will help both of you not to get overwhelmed and exhausted, and be flexible with your expectation, as every day is different. Different events will occur in your life, in your family. So discuss how you will cooperate and contribute together to make things better for both of you after getting pregnant as well as after baby's birth. There are certain factors that may create difficulty in conception, such as age, medical condition, both the partners' unhealthy eating habits and lifestyle, stressful life, smoking and drinking alcohol, etc. As you might be wondering why we need to consider all these things before having a baby. That's a good question. Well, here is the answer. It's easy to conceive when both the partners are physically fit, willing to start their family, and mentally prepared for the changing lifestyle and life events. So our body works on chemicals, basically hormones. So what we think, how we feel, what we do, what we eat does matter when you try to conceive. If you are stressed out or having tensions in the family, if your partner having unhealthy habits and choices, and it does impact on conception or growing a healthy baby inside mother's womb. Now I will share the tips that will help you to conceive, and whatever tips I will share should be followed by both the partners and not only the one who will be getting pregnant. Both partners should follow healthy diet in order to increase your chances of getting pregnant. So prepare your body for the big event, as mother's body will go through a lot of hormonal changes after conception, during pregnancy, labor and delivery. So while deciding your menu for the breakfast, lunch and dinner, make sure to add the fruits and vegetables that are rich in zinc, folic acid, vitamin C, iron, calcium and other essential nutrients to regulate body function. Maintain a healthy weight. Make sure that you are well hydrated. Making healthy choices will contribute to the growth of healthy sperm count as well as in conception. Whether you prefer walking, exercising or doing yoga, when you decide to have a family, start adapting to an active lifestyle together. Major factor that will make conception easy, that is when you are stress free. So travel together, go for a movie, spend quality time together, and do the recreational activities that will boost your mood. Try to maintain a positive environment in your house. Visiting a gynecologist is must when you decide to start a family, because there are several advantages of visiting a gynecologist. Number one, when you visit a gynecologist, they will do the initial checkup to make sure that both of you are physically fit to have a baby. Number two, if they find out any health issues, then they can provide you the necessary treatment as well as make you aware about what are your chances of conception. Another advantage of visiting a gynecologist is that they will discuss with you about your ovulation period and fertile days based on your last menstrual period. So often females are unaware about their ovulation period and fertile days, because of which even after taking a chance they are not getting pregnant. So it's best to know about your fertile days for the better chance of getting pregnant. Nowadays there are several mobile apps and online ovulation calculators are available, with the help of which you can find out your ovulation period as well as fertile days. So check out the one. I have mentioned the link in the description box below. Another advantage of visiting the gynecologist is that a doctor will prescribe you the folic acid as well as multivitamin tablets, which are prenatal tablets. Folic acid is necessary to prevent a birth defect. Next advantage is that doctor will also discuss you about the healthy lifestyle, do's and don'ts, how to test pregnancy at home, and when to follow up. Most important tip, avoid your exposure to the toxic household products which are very common in our day-to-day life. So avoid using the products which contains the BPA, lead, mercury, pesticide, herbicide, fumes from the household cleaners. So use the container, utensils, tiffin boxes, water bottles which are free from such chemicals. So that's it. I hope that all these tips will help you. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share and subscribe. Subscription is absolutely free, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you'll get the latest update from our channel. See you in the next video.